know what I mean? But you're not running linear, you know what I mean? There's only so far you can get out, and the gift has been so, abundant in the last year, actually in the last couple of weeks, or the last
Dave, we'll catch you a little bit later on. I gotta go get some files off the computer and get my stepping on route here done. I gotta go walk on over to somebody else's place here and help them out with some audio. So I'll be back before too doggone long. If not tonight, for sure tomorrow. Motormouth Ball, your West Coast beast, moving on. Bye.
Hey, tell that young man, old skinny around Arizona, I'm sorry I'm plugging your ears up.
Hello, Lady Reject. How are you doing today? You sure sound good and 10 a.m. straight over here. How are things going this wonderful Wednesday? Lady Reject, Motormouth Mall, got down. I tell you, everything's on the up and up over here on the top shelf. Everything's working real good. Got the bugs and things worked out of this thing, burning up the cobwebs left and right, and getting everything all dialed in, that's for sure. So, no complaints on this end. And you know what? If I did have any complaints, it wouldn't do any good anyway. Lady Reject, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast waving.
Plug your ears up. I'm sorry, but next time they won't be out of the way. One by one. Oh, skin around Arizona. You gotta realize where you at. You on the Super Bowl. Hey, 151. You don't know.
You sure did get down in fine style there, Lady Reject. Really fine style. I heard you tune it up there a little bit ago. Big hammer. Ooh-wee. I was like, man, who is that? What is that? And then along comes that beautiful audio come rolling all up in there just like that in fine style. Lady Reject, radio station, Motormouth Mall, waving.
Take